Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing and installing the LED clear light from Triumph for the Street Triple. So this is what the clear LED tail light looks like. So it's another upgrade. There isn't much difference compared to the red tail light, except that the exterior is clear and not red, and you just have a plug. No turn signals, they're not integrated into it. Not sure if the competition works one is integrated in it. This is just more of a aesthetic and a little change to your bike to stand out from the rest, I guess. So we'll install it and you'll see it, and I'll go through installing it and we'll make the mistakes together, because this is the first time I've ever taken the rear end of my bike off. All right, let's get right into it. Let's start taking this apart and take the seat cowling off first. Take the rider seat out too. All right, so first we're going to take this screw out. Okay, so what we're doing is we're taking these two screws that are up here, these two out, and we might have to take these two out, because all we're really doing is there's a nut down there and one here, and then under this plastic piece where we got the screw off, there's two more 5mm bolts holding it in. So we're just going to take these screws out to make it easy to move the plastic, so we don't have to take all the plastic off just to change it. Alright, so yeah, definitely made it a lot easier just removing those. So we only have to remove the two top ones and the two right under the seat. So this cable, it's all the way like hidden right here. This is the tail light. So we're gonna disconnect it. Okay. Now remove the 5 bolts, 5mm bolts. I mean, 2 of them. Save some time. You don't have to take everything apart. Hopefully the tail light just comes right off once we take those off. And then you got, it looks like 10mm. So in order to get the tail light out, you have to get this plate right here off, which is 2 screws here and 2 screws there. Yeah, so we got to take the license plate bracket off. So there's 3 bolts in there, and they're 10mm, and then the Allen wrench on the bottom. Get the washer out. Yeah, we just need to slide this out enough to change the tail light out. Man, is this thing dirty. Okay. Screw some of that in. What a mess this is. Alright, so that's not bad. Don't forget we're gonna insert the 2 screws on each side. I mean 1 screw on each side, but 2 of them overall. plug in the rear tail light. Slider goes in there. First we gotta finish screwing everything in up here. And we're gonna screw this piece back in.
So screw four screws up here.
Usually the hardest part of this would be screwing the license tail light back on. And before we do anything else, let's make sure that the tail light works. Don't want to do all that work and then it doesn't work. Yeah, it looks nice. We're gonna put the license plate bracket all together. Now we're just putting all the fairings back. Get it all back to the way it was. Yeah, with this clear tail light installed, man, it makes me a lot faster now that I don't have the red tail light. The red tail light slows your bike down. I don't know if you guys know, it's a secret. There you have it, guys. Installing the clear LED tail light. It's a little pain in the ass because you have to take everything off, and if you have a fender eliminator kit, then you have to take that off. But other than that, it's just what, about 8 5mm bolts you got to take out, and like I said, drop the fender eliminator kit, and then the rear plastic just slides right to the back, and it's pretty easy to do. It's a little time consuming, but we learned together. The first time me changing the tail light, hopefully that's the last for this bike. It's a pain in the butt sometimes, but it's not too bad. It's just time consuming. All right, if you guys like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you in a future video.